that helps a lot in resonating a lot of where this journey is. When maybe 4 years ago, when I first saw Watson Analytics, I said, wow, this is the iPhone of analytics. And that phrase went viral. It helped that I said that phrase to a New York Times reporter, but it actually ran off. But more importantly, what it did is it had us at Ameritas start looking at our analytics journey differently, not only where we were, but where we were going to take off and go to, and where we needed to get to. And then when I joined as the CIO of Ameritas in 2013, we had a disparate set of tools and technologies. And I think rethinking that analytics journey, looking at where we saw an early version of Watson Analytics, it really dawned on us that we needed to think more strategically. And we need to stop looking at the disparate tools, and we need to start looking at extracting value out of data. So a lot of what I'm going to talk to you about is us going on that journey and why we made that strategic decision and how we think that's the right one. So that analytics journey for us really had a lot to do around these three components. And when we looked at that, self-service was a critical piece. You heard Paul talk about it. You heard others talk about it. Self-service was huge to us because at Ameritas, we don't have data scientists. We have actuarial people, and we got really, really smart business people, but we don't have any data scientists. So this was an area that really resonated with us around driving self-service out. Then being able to adapt and change and kind of get the technology out of the way. We find in IT, I love Paul's thing with IT in the business. IT, our job always seems like we're clashed. And what we wanted to do is get in the business of enabling our business, helping our business go extract value, and not be the one that was kind of having to assemble pieces and parts. So that was an important piece of it to us. And then having somebody that we could go on that journey with that we felt was going to be there for a while. I'll share a couple little pieces of the puzzle.